Whiterock Conservancy in west central Iowa is a gold mine of trails for hikers, bikers, and horseback riders alike. Climbing along the Middle Raccoon River, Shooting Star Trail offers a perfect look at how the area attracts these specific adventurers and many more. As the trail winds up to the edge of the Middle Raccoon Bluffs, hikers can clearly see the challenge and fun this path provides for cyclists. And in case you're wondering, the path stays wild and challenging its entire run. While mostly forged through the woods, Shooting Star does top out next to one of the many fields that draws visitors to the park's annual Star Party. Whiterock is well known among astronomers and stargazers for its dark night skies, allowing for clear star views. Whiterock is not a state park or even a county park. Instead, it's a nonprofit land trust that relies on visitor fees and donations to exist. And while hikers are welcome, many trailheads have donation boxes for visitors who wish to provide financial support. Shooting Star ends at the Big Dipper Trail Fork. Should you forge ahead, there are miles of adventure to be had. However, turn around now, and your hike will be a clean 2-mile loop. A short, but undoubtedly invigorating sample of the trails at Whiterock Conservancy.